welcome back in Math Champion. Okay, because our book we use Math Champion, so Miss Pita say like that. Okay, get ready study math. Okay, I hope you get ready now. Okay, please open page 16. Please open your book, page 16. Okay, our topic today is about comparing numbers within 1000. Miss Pita repeats, comparing number within 1000. Okay, in bahasa is comparing, in bahasa membandingkan. So comparing numbers within 1000 in bahasa membandingkan bilangan atau membandingkan angka dalam 1000. Okay, so you have to listen carefully. Miss Pita will explain to you about our topic. Okay, look at page 16. Look at example number 1. Miss Pita will read. Okay, Mona needs to choose the greater set. Which set will she choose? A or B? Okay, Mona akan memilih set yang paling besar, greater in bahasa paling besar, okay? And smaller in bahasa paling kecil. Which set? Set yang mana yang akan dipilih si Mona? A or B? Okay, so on your book there are two sets. Ada dua set. Set itu maksudnya yang kotak-kotaknya nih, okay? This is set A, 235. So 235 itu jumlah dari semua blok-bloknya. Blok itu adalah kotak-kotak kecil ini yang digabungkan semua. And then in the set B, there are 146 blocks. Okay, remember about our topic last week, we already studied about hundreds, tens, and ones. Hundreds, ratusan, tens, puluhan, ones, satuan. Okay, so we will use hundreds, tens, and ones to comparing number. We will use it to compare number. Kita akan menggunakan peraturan ratusan, puluhan, dan satuan untuk membandingkan bilangan atau membandingkan angka. Okay, look at the first. If we wanna compare number, we have to compare the first is hundreds with hundreds. The first, we have to compare hundreds with hundreds. Okay, Miss Pita will tell. This one, the big blocks, blok yang besar, it is hundreds. Okay, jadi blok yang besar ini, karena bloknya itu besar, ini adalah ratusan. The middle blocks, blok yang sedang, it is tens. And the small blocks, blok yang kecil, it is ones. Okay, ready now ya? Hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, if we want to compare the numbers, you have to compare. The first one is about hundreds. Bandingkan dulu yang ratusannya. In the set A, the big blocks, there are two big blocks. But in the set B, how many big block? Ada berapa blok yang besar? Only one. Okay, so who is the greater? Siapa yang paling besar atau siapa yang paling banyak jumlahnya? Which one is greater? Yang mana yang paling besar? Of course, set A. Okay, karena ketika kita membandingkan yang ratusan, when we compare the hundreds, we already know the answer, right? So we go back to the question, which set will she choose, A or B? Jadi set mana yang paling besar? So the answer is set A. So 235 is greater than 146. Mona will choose set A. Okay, remember ya. Pertama kali kalau kita mau membandingkan angka itu, you have to see hundreds. Perhatikan dulu ratusannya. Oke. If you already see the hundreds, you already get who is or which is greater. So you already know. Karena di set A jumlah ratusannya lebih banyak, ada 200, dan di set B only 100. So the answer is set A. Yang pasti jawabannya sudah set A karena jumlah ratusannya sudah banyak. Ini sudah 200. Ini masih 100. Otomatis 235 is greater than 146. Oke? Okay, now we are going to the next example. Please open page 17. Okay. Example number 2. Okay, Miss Pita will read it. Now, Mona wants to choose the smaller set. Which set will she choose, C or D? If just now Mona wants to choose about the greater set, now Mona want to choose for the smaller set. Greater lebih besar, smaller lebih kecil. Okay, everybody please look at the set again. Okay, look at. If two numbers have the same number of hundreds, just now kan the rule is, if we want to compare the numbers, the first one we have to compare hundreds. Kalau mau membandingkan angka atau bilangan, yang pertama kali kita bandingkan adalah yang ratusannya, yang hundreds. So the first one we have to see about hundreds. Okay, but if two hundreds have the same number, kalau ada ratusannya itu yang sama, you should compare the tens. Okay. Kalau ratusannya itu jumlahnya sama, maka kita akan membandingkan yang tens, yang puluhan. Okay, look at the set please. Set A, set C, and set D. Okay, look at the hundreds the first. How many big blocks in set C? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Ada berapa blok besar? Ada 3 blok besar. Okay, remember, in the set C, there are 3 big blocks. Okay, now look at set D. How many big blocks? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, in the set D also there are 3 big blocks. So have the same number in the hundreds, ya. Ada angka yang sama atau jumlah yang sama di ratusannya. If two numbers have the same number, if two hundreds have the same number, kalau yang ratusannya itu memiliki jumlah yang sama, so we should compare tens. Maka kita harus membandingkan yang puluhannya. Okay, let's see the tens. Let's count how many middle blocks in the set C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 middle blocks in the set C. Now, let's count how many middle blocks in the set D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, who is the greater? The tens from set C or the tens from set D? Of course, the greater is the tens from set C. Yang paling banyak jumlah puluhannya adalah di set C. Karena di set C ada 7 blok yang sedang. Sedangkan di set D only there are 4 middle blocks. If we already know, kalau kita sudah bandingkan lalu sudah dapat jawabannya, we already get the answer. So the answer is which one is the smaller? Yang mana dia bilangan yang lebih kecil? Of course the answer is set D, 345. That's why the answer is, so 345 is smaller than 372. Mona will choose set D. Okay, Miss Pita repeats. If we want to compare the numbers, the first one we have to compare the hundreds. Yang pertama dibandingkan adalah yang ratusan. If two hundreds have the same number, kalau 200-an itu dia memiliki jumlah yang sama, we should compare the tens. Kita harus membandingkan yang puluhannya. Kalau For example, the hundreds have the same number. The tens also have the same number. After that, how do you compare? Bagaimana kamu membandingkannya lagi? So, you should compare the ones. Kalau ratusan dan puluhannya memiliki angka atau jumlah yang sama, maka the last you have to compare the tens. Yang terakhir, kamu harus membandingkan yang satuannya. Oke, remember greater in bahasa lebih besar, smaller in bahasa lebih kecil. Oke, now please open page 18. The next example. Okay. This is Miss Pita will read this question. Which is greater? Which is smaller? Okay. If two numbers have the same number of hundreds and tens, just now, like Miss Pita said, if the hundreds have the same number, the tens have the same number, we should compare the ones. Kalau ratusannya jumlahnya sama, puluhannya jumlahnya sama, maka kita harus mengcompare yang satuan. Like this example, everybody look at the set please. Okay. Look at which is greater. Yang mana yang lebih banyak? The first we have to compare the hundreds. Remember ya, the rule is when we wanna compare the numbers, the first one we have to compare the hundreds. Yang pertama itu yang dibandingkan adalah ratusannya. If the hundreds have the same number, so we are going to compare the tens. If the tens also have the same number, so the last we have to compare the ones. Remember ya? Okay, let's check the hundreds. Let's count the first set. Kotak yang pertama. How many big blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 big blocks. Now we are going to the bottom. Lihat yang di bawahnya. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 big blocks also. So the hundreds have the same number. Okay, we cannot compare it because same number. So we are going to the tens. Okay, let's check. How many? Okay, this is one. There is one middle blocks. In the bottom also there is one middle block. So this is same, right? So we cannot compare. Now, if hundreds have the same number, tens have the same number, so we are going to the compare the ones. Kita akan membandingkan yang satuan. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are how many? Okay, let's count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 small blocks. Ada 8 blok kecil. Look at the bottom. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the bottom, only there are 5 small blocks. So, I want to ask you, which is the greater? Yang mana yang jumlahnya paling banyak? Of course, the answer is 418. Karena, because yang paling besar satuannya this one, right? Yang jumlahnya 8 kan? Okay, so which is greater? The answer is 418 is greater than 415. Okay, which is smaller? 415 is smaller than 418. Kenapa sih 415 lebih kecil atau yang smaller? Karena ones-nya, satuannya lebih sedikit daripada satuan yang dari 418. Okay, already know ya about our topic. So we have assignment for math today. Please open page 19. Okay, this one. Please do this assignment on your exercise book. Please do number 4, number 5, and number 6. Miss Pita repeats. You write on your exercise book, just write the answer. You do number 4, number 5, and number 6 on your exercise book. No need to write the question, just write the answer. Okay, Cosmos?